Hello everyone, this is our dry polishing machine. This is our testing machine. Today we will show you how to use it, okay? And first we put this mat on. This mat can protect the screens. And now use this one, the pink one, can move the deep scratches. Okay, now let's see the controller. The controller, 等一下。Okay, you will see the controller. It have the three teacher edit. Okay, we 3. 然后呢？
新建文件是第二个。
这个是下载文件，这个新文件。Okay, the new file. Okay, first one, the new file. And F3. 等一下，哎呀，老是电话。Okay, after F3, then like this page. 然后呢？Okay, now the dot. 这点对 ，the dot.
就移动的。
And move this dot.
速度。
然后什么？
有这个速度。
Okay, the speed. This is speed. Then you can choose this speed. And move it right, left, down, up. Okay, just move it down. We move it down, and left. Okay, like this.
那就是这个膜片又压到一点点边，然后这个在中心位置，就这个中心。
这个膜片压了这个边，在这个位置啊。OK。但是这里要多高啊？
先不管它多高，
And now
在大概位置。
This mat is from left side, just here cover on the mode that's found on the screen. Yes, start on the corner of the screens.
这边是在中心位置。
And here, this line is in middle, and this line is in middle.
这个中心位置对着这个边。
Okay, it is this middle. We must to keep it the same line here. Okay. Then it's fine. Then enter the confirm. This is the first dot. And now we press 2, the line. Okay. And press confirm. After you confirm, then 3. Line end. Okay. And move it.
移到这一个直线的中间。
哪个直线中间？
这边也要压到一点点。
Okay. And now the same way, the right side, we need to, the mat will be a little on the screen. Okay. On the edge of the screen. Like this. Okay. 然后这个也是中间的位置了 ，OK。
就是确定。
And now confirmed.
这样一个0。
And now 0. We press 0.
这样一个0。
0 again.
然后就是从第2行到第3行，这就是从第1行。
Now we change it from 2 to 3.
确定。
OK. Enter it.
然后就是根据这个手机的长度，大概是150左右吧，150毫米。
Okay. Now we will see this length. It is around 15 centimeter. So we choose here. We press here is 15. Okay.
这里就是10。
This we put 10. 那为什么这里吗？
它就是一列一列过来嘛，就是一行一行啊。对。
OK， 就是这个横的咯，宽度咯。
不是，它这个行距就是往前走就是走10毫米，就是要走15行才能够到这里。
OK. And we put 10 here. It will be 10 line. 10行。
15行。
15 line，10是什么意思哎？
10的意思啊，
嗯
就是它从起点到终点，然后再到起点的时候，它就往前走了10毫米，
，OK
对，然后就可以保存了。
OK。So we just press like this, 15 and 10,
F1 保存，
and F1 is save, F1,
然后再按 F1 保存，
and again F1 save it.
然后再按退出，
OK back.
再按2 OK。
OK 2 is OK. Yes. So it's downloading the file. Now this file is OK. And now we reset it. Reset 是这个规定对吧 ？Reset it. So it's reset back. 现在怎么办
然后就再调一下它这个高度。
？Now we adjust the height.
53，
And first we press 3,
然后再按5，起点校正，
then 5. Press 5.
再按5。
5 again. OK.
这一轴就是下降了，应该意思是，然后就确定，
Then yes, we press yes here.
然后就调这个高度就可以。
And now we adjust the height. Adjust this height. This height.
这个
OK.
压着一点点，
然后什么调上左右对吧
上左右不用调，只是调这个高度。
？And just to connect here, then it's
压
fine.
到一点点就可以了。
Okay, this corner. And now it is on the screen, or the mat on the screen.
然后再按一个确定，
Again, we and enter. Confirm is fine.
然后复位就可以了。
Again, we reset it. 对了。
对了，
So this template is finished. 那下次还要编辑吗？
你打这一个型号就不用了，
啊
你打其他型号就要。
Okay. Now we show you how to use
对
it.
按启动。
We start it. 不要刷吗？
不用刷，它这叫干磨，然后换一个模片就可以了。
什么叫刷粉啊？
不用，不用放什么磨，因为它磨出来就有这个粉。
哦。为什么呀？为什么磨出来就有粉啊？
它那个玻璃刷粉。
哦。Okay, you will see it is working, moving.
它这个根据划痕的深度，就要多磨几遍。
And it is based on the scratches. If it is deep scratches, so then we can do more time. Okay. Then it's back by itself. And we press back again, reset again. 为什么要按那个退？ And the run times you can setting it. Now we setting 2 times, and you can setting more times if the scratch is more deep. And if it is light scratches, then you just to remove 1 time or 2 times.
这个
It's
设
fine.
置磨的变数是在这个4，
Okay, edit is 4,
然后就是往下调。
and here,
这个
and the cycles is if you want to polish 5 times, then you setting 5, and then F1 confirmed. That's fine.
退出。
OK。刚刚哪个退出啊？哦，看到了。OK。
现在是5分。
Now it is running time 5 times. Yes, it is very easy to use it.
它这个模板也。
Okay, this is one time. And now he will back by itself. We'll do second time again. Because I'm setting it at 5 times, yes. And this is what is glass, the glass after polishing. And in middle side it is black pad. This one is soft one. It is mean if the machine pressure is too big, maybe will be sometimes maybe not good for the screens. If I have this middle, the black mat, it will be protect the screen. And we do like this way. It is me. First we use this machine to polish the deep scratches. Then we put in our polishing machine. Then we put in our polishing machine like this. Okay, you will see. 打得怎么样？
这个深茶壶。
Yeah. This screen it is actually broken by itself. Yeah. And we just want to show you about the after polishing. After you this dry polishing machine, remove some scratches. Then we will take out the screens of the mobile phone and cleaning the molds, cleaning everything. We need to put in the, after like this, we put the glue and the UV curing box, then put in the polishing machine.